Welcome everybody. We're going to run through the demo of MobilityRE today with our partner PRMG. Now I'll jump straight in here and explain kind of what's happening in the market. That is that everyone's using their mobile device to search for homes. There's been a shift taking place here. And what's interesting is all the companies like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com are all showing that over 75% of their traffic is now coming from that mobile device. What's interesting though is as we talk to real estate agents across the country, we continually hear that those are some of the last places that agents want their clients to go to search. And there's two major reasons for that. The first reason is that Zillow, Trulia, and others show their competitors. So they're losing their clients to the competition. The second reason that agents don't want their clients going to Zillow and Trulia and others is because the data is inaccurate. Buyers are looking at homes that have sold weeks ago, sometimes even months ago. So what MobilityRE is doing is we're creating and customizing an app for the real estate agent that's branded to them without any of their competitors and tied in directly to the MLS, making it the most accurate way that a consumer can search. Now, a couple other things you'll notice with our platform is that we're able to capture and guarantee 100% accurate cell phone number leads without forcing the buyer to register. And with those buyers that we capture, we'll be able to send that to you as the agent via text and email, and also give you a back office where you can now track and manage all those leads and see exactly what those buyers have done with that cell phone number that we've captured. Now, we've created and customized an app for you. And then what we've done is created multiple portals ways that a consumer can get the app and start searching for homes. The first is going to come from texting, so sign writers, mailers, social media. In addition, through the app stores themselves, so iTunes and the Google Play Store. The third thing is that we are integrating with your existing website. So we'll add a section to your existing website that says, searching for homes on the go, get my free mobile app. They'll have that app sent right from your site to their phone. And the fourth portal is the mobile-to-mobile share, allowing you to share this app right from your own phone to that potential client's phone. So I'll go through each of these in a little bit more detail here. So I'm going to jump into the texting. We will create what we call an app domain specific for you, meaning a name for your app. For the demo, I'm just going to go with the word Home1. Now you'll receive your app domain in an email that we send to you, your welcome email, and it will show you what your app domain is. Now again, for the demo, that app domain will be Home1, and you'll be able to start marketing that a bunch of different ways. And we're finding still one of the most effective ways is if you have listings to put this on your sign. Now, as buyers drive neighborhoods, they want to know the price and they want to see pictures of the insides of homes. So we can help you to get these sign writers that will say, for photos and price, text whatever your unique app domain is. Now, this is working extremely well for our agents. As they hang their signs, buyers text in, they get that information, and they start using your app to search for not only that home, but all the other homes, but it's all branded to you as the agent because it's your app. There are no codes per sign. It's your app domain that we put on there. Now, in addition to signs, there are a lot of other ways that you can promote your app and have a lot of success with it. We're finding agents will push it on social media, on just listed, just sold mailers. We also have a new feature that will allow you to post your app onto Facebook so that all of your friends can have access to it. You'll capture their information, track what they're doing. They can also share it with others. So a great way to get this app out to a bunch of people that may be looking for homes. Now the way it will work is a buyer will create a new text message. So whether they're standing in front of a sign, they see it on a mailer, they're going to create this text message. They send it to phone number 32323, and then the message they put in is your app domain. And again, you'll receive that in that welcome email that we send to you. So for the demo, we're going with Home1 as that app domain. Buyer puts that in, they hit send. Within 2 or 3 seconds, buyer gets this message back that says, hey, welcome. To see photos and info, use this free home search app. It'll have your name as the agent, your phone number, and a link. Now, as soon as they click that link, it launches what we call the quick launch version of the app. Now, all that means is we're opening that in the browser of the phone instead of taking them to the App Store. And the reason we do that is we find when a buyer is standing in front of a home, they don't want to wait to download it and have it installed on their phone. They want to get that info instantly. By doing that in the browser, they just hit the Near Me button. It pinpoints their location and shows whatever home they're in front of. Now, the best part for you as an agent is instead of just showing them that one listing, we actually will pinpoint their location and zoom that map out so they can see the home they're in front of. But in addition, they can see all the other homes in the neighborhood. And so often buyers will look at a listing and say, we love it, but out of our price range, or we need more bedrooms or baths, but we like the neighborhood. I wonder if there's anything in the neighborhood that works. Well, now they'll be able to click on all these other price bubbles and get all the information that they need on all these other listings. But the great part is, because this is your app, you are now the contact person no matter what home they look at. So you literally just became the contact person of every single property on the entire MLS. Now, once that buyer's in, they can install this app and click the download, and that will take them right to iTunes, the Google Play Store, which will then drop your app right onto their phone. This is so much more effective than handing out business cards. People always have their phone with them. Now, when their friends ask them, who was it that helped you with your home, it's pretty easy for them to click on your app, drops them in. You'll notice that we're going to put your branding, your contact information, photo, and customize this to you. In addition, we will have your PRMG loan officer with their banner here on your app. When they click on that, it opens up the lender section of the app, which will give them a mortgage calculator and the ability to contact that loan officer direct via text, email, or phone call. Now, they'll also be able to put in some info, submit it. That will go right to your loan officer so that they can start pre-approving that buyer. So it's a great way to get these new leads that are coming in approved and ready to go, so that when they find the right home, their financing's in place. They don't miss out on any opportunities. Okay. Now, the buyer can do a map search in addition. When they hit map search, it'll zoom out on the map, and they can drag and zoom that map to any area that they want within the MLS that you're a member of. If you're a member of multiple MLSs, we can attach those MLSs to your app specifically. Now, as the buyer clicks on that price bubble, we show a thumbnail of that property. And in this new interface, we have really created the best way for a consumer to search for homes. Instead of having to toggle back and forth between the map view, clicking on a home, taking them to a page, looking at the photos, if they don't like it, then they have to come back to the map. They can do it all now right from this map view. So as they click on the property, it'll show them the thumbnail, and they can actually swipe through all these images to see the photos of the home. Now, if they like it, they can click on that picture. It'll give them the full details. But again, remember, as the agent now whose app this is, you are the contact on every single property. As they click on it, they can call, text, or email you right from here. Now, they can narrow that search down by bedrooms, baths, price, square footage. They'll hit apply, and that will show them the properties that match that criteria. When they see homes they like, they'll click on it. They'll see the full detailed page with the description. They can even request a showing right from here that will send you a text and an email instantly, letting you know that your buyer wants to go see 15 Skycrest tomorrow at noon. Now, we've also created home alerts. Now, this will allow your buyers to receive properties as soon as they hit the market, sent to them via text and email, homes that match their search criteria. So they'll click Create Listing Alert. It drops them in, says, hey, drag the map to the area you want to find your home in. They'll hit Next, narrow that down by bedrooms, baths, price, square footage. Would they like to receive that notification via text or email? And they'll hit Save. Now, every day that a property hits the market that matches their search criteria, they're going to get that notification via text and email saying, hey, 2 new homes just hit the market, matching exactly what you're looking for. Now, we'll also notify you as the agent that they've received those properties via your app. Now, the one thing that I will mention here is we are getting this data from the MLS now in real time. So we're able to send these listing alerts and notifications to your clients as soon as it hits the market. That means your clients are going to get these properties hours and sometimes days before others that are waiting around to see those properties show up on Zillow and other places. So there's a huge advantage for you to be able to give this to your clients and have them searching on your app and receiving alerts from your app as opposed to them trying to get those alerts from somewhere else. This will be by far the most accurate and quickest notifications they'll receive on new properties. Now, you'll also be able to share this app with the share feature. A lot of agents are having success sharing this in open houses. As buyers walk through, they'll say, thanks for coming through the open house. Let me share this free app with you. It's tied right to the MLS. It's much more accurate than Zillow or any of the other apps out there. What was your name again? Let me grab your phone number and I'll share it right to your phone. You'll hit share. It shoots it right to their phone. Now, as they walk out of that open house, they look at homes down the street, around the corner. If they request more information or a showing on any home, it's going directly to you because it's your app. Now, every time you get a new lead, you're going to get a text and an email. It's going to let you know, hey, your app just generated a new inquiry. You'll click View Lead Detail. It'll show you all of your buyers, what they've looked at, when, what price range, and it even gives you some pre-populated responses. So in that first few minutes of a lead coming in, you can respond by a text saying, hey, thanks for using the app. Did you get the info you needed? And would you like to go see this property? Now, the key thing here is with your new app that you receive, you'll want to share it with as many people as you possibly can. Whether you're generating leads from other sources, you want those people searching on your app because you're the contact person and the data is accurate. So share it with as many people as you can, and you'll find that they will also share it with others. It's one of the main buttons on the app. In addition, if you have signs, you're going to want to hang sign riders. It will generate a bunch of new buyers coming in. We'll also recommend that you push it on the new Facebook feature to push it to your social media to get as many people using your app as possible. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at our support and contact here, support@mobilityre.com, or you can reach us at 855-858-0590. Thanks everyone for joining, and let us know if we can help you.